on this airbag with auto replay, I'm going to look at removing this rear carpeted area that's behind the seats and actually working on getting rid of the airbag light, warning light that's on there. I have a resistor, is a 100 ohm resistor that's going to basically bypass the seats, and I can plug in the airbag sensors that I bought off eBay and see if we get the airbag light to go off. So, and get everything prepped for the rust seal that's coming probably like another week or so. Got to go ahead and get everything ready, wrap the dashboard in plastic, and let's get it prepared. Alright, so let's look at opening this up. Still got a mess going on here, but I want to go ahead and remove this little compartment area, and I believe these tabs either go from the inside or the outside, so I'm gonna have to look this up. I know these slide up from the bottom. There's like 3 tabs on the bottom, 1 on the sides here that slide up, and then there's the ones on the top. So let me do some research on the one that I took out from Pick and Pull and find out how to get this out, then we can remove this whole carpeted area. Alright, so I just looked at the video and this actually slides out. So let me work on getting this. It slides to this way. Alright, so I got this side pulled out and this side also goes this way, and basically looks like this whole part will come up and that comes out. So that's where all the clips, if you don't want to break this, you got to pull the tops out and you slide this up. So I'm going to set this up here for now. Alright, so I'm going to look at removing this whole carpet area. I may have to take all this out, but before I do, I'm try to pull this out like this, get this out of the way so we can see what's going on underneath. Okay, looks like I'm going to have to take a star bit to get this out. Alright, so looks like it's hard to see, but it's a Torx bit. Go ahead and get this off. Get this out the way. Get this going. Slide this back up for a second, get that out the way. And that's just got like a little, oh there it is, this kind of slides up. This unscrews. This unscrews too, I believe. It'll come out. That unscrew right there. This needs to get all the way unscrewed. Slide that up. Get this out the way. Pull this out. This whole rear carpet's about to come out. Get this to come off of here. Come on, baby. Come on. I need something to pry it with. I got anything to pry it with. Oh, there it is. Alright, so that should take care of this whole rear carpeted area here. There we go. Alright. So I wanted to remove all of this so I can get access to this right here. this is gonna just come on out. But I wanted to get good access so I could clean all this up. And I'm not gonna worry about putting none of this back. Ain't nothing that's gonna be OEM. I think I'm gonna make a t-shirt. This ain't gonna be OEM. So I want to at least get to like this point. And yeah, hold this camera right. You know, so I can clean all that up. So get all this, throwing all that away, that's trash. And same thing on this side. This side doesn't, well, looks like it's about the same. Yeah, smoke control. So that needs to come out. Same thing. At least it's not to this point up here. Looks like I could probably stop where the wires are coming up, so that's good. I think what I'm going to do is just probably take these up out the way and then just work on wire brushing all this and rust sealing it, and we can look at putting it all back. So I think that might be it for today. I'm going to come up with a plan on inside, looking up on the actual wire diagram to which two wires are actually for the seat belt buckle, because I could use a 100 ohm or 300 ohm resistor. I have a 100 ohm resistor, so the car either thinks that the seat belt is there, it's just not buckled, or that the seat belt is there and it is buckled. So that's the difference, you know. So let me do some research on the inside and find out what we need to do.